Man, this is crazy. Everything is in water. The biggest festival of Li and Miao minorities here in Hainan, Sanyuesan, and today I'm going to Wuzhishan city to experience it for myself. I have no idea what's going to happen. I have no plan. It's gonna be fun or not. You can see I'm a little bit tipsy. Let's go and see. Поехали! Just arrived in Wuzhishan and I can already feel the fresh mountain air. Everything is being prepared right now, and you know what I noticed is this year there is a stage on the water. I'm not really sure how it works because like with electricity and the lights, but that's pretty cool. And actually I got a friend here who offered me to try a traditional Li minority outfit, so let's try it. Хорошо?
Хорошо, очень.
Хорошо.
Очень хорошо.
Спасибо. Спасибо большое. Wow, вы говорите по-русски?
Да.
Да. I feel like Wuzhishan is a very special place. Since we have a chance, can you tell us a little bit about this outfit?
Okay.
Like, is this Li or Miao minority?
This is Li brocade, and the clothes is handmade intangible heritage.
This is handmade.
Handmade, totally handmade
Wow, people for many generations they've been doing it like by hands.
by hands.
Wow,
and it's
that's
so expensive.
I feel like it's more special to me now.
Yeah.
Yes, the Li people have preserved their traditions for generations, passing down their culture and craftsmanship from one family to the next. Sanyuesan is one of the best examples of this, a festival celebrated by the Li and Miao ethnic groups on the third day of the third lunar month.
The performances have already started. They're just right here. Just right on the water. This is so cool. 帽子好看哦。As you can see, these long tables connected together and people are having a dinner. Well, this is a traditional chinatravel, so basically a long table banquet. I'm not really sure where it's ending. I cannot see the end. Maybe I can find a spot somewhere here. 哦，这里可以坐吗？
可以的。
可以，好，找到了。这个叫乌色饭，乌色饭，对。
对，5个颜色，纯植物染的。
I'm so hungry. It's pretty good. Li minority is famous for its close connection to the nature, so that's why all the ingredients are fresh and natural. So this is a tradition basically of singing and drinking. Sounds fun, right? I kind of want to try it now.
A few minutes later.
Oh, bye. Oh, bye. 好，还有，你们说喝多少我就喝多少。
后来才发现，真不该说出那句。
Oh, bye. Oh my god. 小姐姐，
厉害！要不要再来一碗？
已经到这里了，还能说什么？
要不要？这个是不是有点多啊？
掌声鼓励一下好不好啊？
这个酒有多少度？
只要你开心，它没有度数。加油！好，酒量。
好，
还要不要再来？
不用。That was a little bit maybe too much, but I couldn't resist because 入乡随俗. When you are in Wuzhishan, you have to do as people of Wuzhishan do. So that's what I just did. I better sit down.
我现在身上穿的是黎族新娘的服饰，我把这套服装穿上了中国国际时装周。海南的3月3对我们黎族的人民来说是一个既是祖先、怀念祖先，然后黎苗同胞欢聚在一起共同庆祝的节日，所以海南的3月3对我来说是一个特别开心的日子。
Man, this is a lot of fun. I mean, I didn't expect it to be like this, but it's just... I've been staying in Hainan for such a long time, but this is my first Sanyuesan Festival in Wuzhishan, and I'm loving it. 开不开心？So sometimes in life you just need to have fun, you know. You just need to absorb everything that is given to you and just enjoy the moment. This day was just about that. Goodbye to everybody. Welcome everybody to experience Sanyuesan Festival. Welcome to Wuzhishan.
在这里呢，特别感谢。